Now, I'll talk about a foolproof program which will solve all of your job search related problems. Uh, if you tend to quit your job search in every 5 to 6 days of applying, or if your resume is not getting shortlisted, you send messages for referrals to recruiters, to hiring managers, but you don't get responses from them, or if you face issues in structuring your answers during interviews, or you prepare an answer in your head, but you find it difficult to speak in exactly the same structure during your interviews, or you find it extremely awkward to negotiate your salary and you prefer to leave the money on the table than that of negotiating the salary, fearing that they might take the offer back from you. If any of these things are your problems, this is a must attend program for you. In this program, we will conduct 8 different live sessions. Let me just quickly take you through what exactly these different live sessions are. Um, so these live sessions will start from first, how do you reprogram your mindset? How do you make sure that your mindset is such that you are not quitting your job search in the middle of the work that you have done? How do you build your resume from scratch? How do you build your resume that is ATS compliant, that is attracting a more job shortlist, that is very easy for the recruiters to read, plus it is very easy for the hiring managers to understand what kind of questions should be asked to you? And then how do you optimize your LinkedIn profile from head to toe, from your banners, headshot till your recommendations, so that it becomes more searchable. People find it such that they are clicking on that profile and eventually they are reaching out to you for having a conversation with you about the opportunity that they have on offer. Then what kind of content strategy you should create, because if you really want to stamp your authority on a particular subject, you need to know how to write content on LinkedIn or any other platform for that matter. So I'm going to teach you that. I have done that. I have more than 50,000 followers. I have written content which has gone to millions of people. I'm going to share all of those strategies with you in those sessions. And then the job search strategy, like what kind of job search strategy should you have in place? How should you apply for jobs? How should you track those job opportunities? How should you look at a funnel? Like, these are the places where I'm applying for jobs, this is how I'm nurturing them, and then this is how eventually I'm getting a shortlist or an interview call. Once you have started working on the job search strategy, how do you apply for so how do you reframe your answers? How do you structure your answers? How do you write it in such a way that they are understood by any person who is taking your interview, be it technical person, non-technical person, anyone can understand the kind of language that you're speaking. Then finally, how do you negotiate your salary? All of those things we're gonna teach you in 8 different live sessions, and all of these sessions are going to be full of action-based learning sessions. So it's not that I'm teaching you something and then you are taking a download. No, it's not going to be like that. It's so in these sessions, what I'm going to do is that I will make you do things during the session. Okay, I'm going to do those with you. I'm going to give you time and attention in which you're going to work on everything during the session itself, so that you can learn, you can apply everything in that 2 hours of power pack session that we're going to have with you. Now, as far as timing of the session is concerned, we are going to do these sessions every Monday and Tuesday from 9 p.m. till 11 p.m. during the evening, so that even if you're working in one or the other organization, you'll have sufficient time for you to attend a session. Now, I know that some of you might be having a shift, or some of you might not be able to attend all of the sessions. For all of those people, we'll also record these sessions and we'll put them into our LMS, which can be accessed via web, iOS, and Android. Okay. So this is what the one part of it. The second part of it is that we are also going to give you an access of 9 powerful courses. These courses are around resume writing, LinkedIn, and all of those things. So these are going to be modules basically. I'll not call them courses because they're not designed as courses. Okay, so they are basically modules with self-paced lessons. There'll be more than 100 lessons, very, very short lessons of 5-6 minutes of videos, in which and that you can refer to even when uh, you are even when you and I are not having a conversation like this, right? So I'll just quickly show it to you how typically how in depth these sessions are. Let me just quickly find it here. So these are the lessons, like resume makeover strategy, cover letter blueprint, LinkedIn profile optimization, LinkedIn content strategy, LinkedIn network blueprint, job hunt, interview cracking strategy, salary negotiation blueprint, right? So I'll just show you an example. Even if I go to salary negotiation blueprint, See, it starts from telling you what is your market worth. Then in step 2, you will learn how do you handle a lengthy notice period, because notice period is extremely important. Unless you understand how do you reduce your notice period, or how do you handle that query that is made by a recruiter or hiring manager, there is a chance that you might leave an offer on the table. Then how do you avoid disclosing your salary? Because one of the biggest reasons people are not able to negotiate salary effectively is that they promptly disclose their salary. Okay, then how do you find the salary bracket from the market? How do you filter out companies? How do you research about culture and workplace? Because see, your negotiation cannot just be around your salary. It has to be around your salary, your qualitative benefits, culture, workplace, everything has to be there. Then how do you make sure that you're not accepting the first offer? How do you, breaking up that offer? Is it just, is it an offer which looks great on paper, but in actually you are getting a low do-wall salary? Or is it actually a great offer? Okay, everything. If you go till step 15, it is going to take care of everything that is required to make sure that your salary negotiation is happening in the right way. Okay, so likewise, we have deconstructed each and every session here in this program. And what I believe is that, what I believe is that even after these programs, some of you guys might be having a doubt that, how, if I have further more questions, then what do I do after I have attended these sessions? I've attended these modules. If I have further doubts, what do I do? So for such scenarios, also to handle such kind of scenarios as well, we are giving you a 3-month full Q&A support. We're going to conduct live Q&A sessions with you, in which you can ask us any kind of questions that you have around your job search. Okay, so that there is no reason you are not getting a high paying job by the end of this program. Okay, now here is the thing that I want to quickly show it to you. Okay, let me just open our website. See, as far as I know that some of you guys might be having a quick question around the pricing of this program. See, as far as the membership of our community is concerned, we typically charge people. So it typically starts from, just give me a second. I think there is, for some reason, and I'm not able to see it here. Hi, here. See, they start from 15,000 rupees. But everything, almost everything that is there in the membership, I'm willing to give as part of this program, because what I believe is that, unless I make it affordable for each and every one of you, I'll not be able to, help as many people as I intended to help with the vision that we had set for ThinkSage when we founded ThinkSage. Okay, so now here's the thing. If you are someone who is serious, if you're someone who is serious about making a career switch, serious about making a real change in yours and your family's, your friends' life, if you are someone who is very, very serious about taking control of your career, I want you to find the link in the description and register for 10x Career Accelerator Program now. Okay, so I'll see you inside. I'll see you in the program to help you land your high paying job. And I wish you all the best with your job search.